Today we're going to be doing some boost leak testing, and this kit is from Power Driven Diesel. It comes with this boot for the S300 stuff, the smaller S400 stuff, and the big 5.5 inch S400 stuff. It didn't come with this one, but you can buy their boots. Their boots are way thicker than this. This is from CarQuest. This is just a Gates boot. These are like 4 or 5 ply. They're like super thick, super nice stuff. Basically, you put this on one of these adapters on the front of the turbo, and then I just have a Harbor Freight regulator that I use to shop air, and I just turn it up and see what happens. So all this does is that a boot straight into the front of the turbo with the adapter, that swivel adapter, to a shop air with the regulator. So all I'm going to do is turn the regulator. Wait till it kind of fills the system up. You can see it kind of expanding. That's just a cheap boot, but whatever. And I can go around the engine with the engine off, and I can kind of feel around all the boots and the pipes to see where my leak is. And on this engine especially, there's seals here, another one in there, and another one in back there. And it's really hard to hear that while the engine's running sometimes. So it's easier to put the tester on it and then just kind of go around and listen for the leak. And if you come underneath the truck, the only thing that's rusty underneath this truck is this charge pipe, and it's got a hole in it. You can kind of see it right there. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and if you guys have any questions